fancy way. I like men straight.
Mental sickness.
Who do you think was the best president in the last 20 years?
Obama.
Wow, really?
He made everything racial overnight.
Oh shit, that took a motherfucking turn. So you said Obama because you like that he made it racial.
People thought the future would have flying cars and amazing innovations. But no, what the future actually has is a bunch of idiots that'll laugh at stupid shit like this. If a single one of you so much as smiled at that, you're the reason humanity's affected.
No, move. Wait, who's paying for the ambulance?
I'm sorry, Coach.
Insert cash or select payment type.